My name is Andrew. I'm building a 12.5 catamaran from scratch, and we've been working on building the cabin top frame that'll temporarily support it. So I just brought some more wood to do that because we ran out last time and it's a bit flimsy still, so we need some more reinforcement. So let's get going, cut up these wood and reinforce this frame. So just taking a moment here with the laser level to make sure everything's nice and centered and lined up, and we'll start adding more reinforcement pieces. So here's another little trick. I want to make sure that my frames are nice and upright, nice and plumb. So basically I just have a string and a piece of just a heavy object, so in this case there's a little screw tied to it and tied to the top, and it's called a plumb bob, and I can use that to make sure that it's upright. So I can just make sure that it's lining up the top edge there, this edge there. I don't think I had the most accurate plumb bob in the world, but it should be good enough hopefully. So we got a little bit more reinforced and lined up here on the frames, but time to head home, so we'll call it a day for now and see you next time.